David and David, say hello. This is one way of getting home, you know what I mean? Didn't realise the tide came in and then took the kayak out. See, I could have been spending the night on that island. Lonely island. What? Is there anyone on that island?
Not at the moment, no.
No? I was the only man on that then, wasn't I?
Yeah.
That's kind of why I wanted to go out there, singing and whatnot. Beautiful out the far side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Anyway, this is one way to get home. It's absolutely beautiful around here. Wherever you need to put this in, put it in. You know what I mean? I'll walk back to the man. You know, there's no hassle. You don't have to bring me back to the
we're not sure. We're just looking for their board.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. You could turn, it might cause an accident or so with another boat.
I know, it might be alright.
I could see when I was walking down the cliff, you can see the current. There was like a rip there, isn't it? So long island. Do you think it'll be here if anywhere?
I won't be.
Good job I brought me coffee and all with me, what? You gas, if I had to stay out there. Not much timber on that island to make a little fire for yourself. My van's still there anyway.